Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I have some news today that is hot off the press. I just got back a couple hours ago from the mountains. It is now Sunday, June 6th. And we went up there on Thursday to the mountains, and we spent the weekend. When I say we, who's we? All of Dogwood crew in Tennessee. Yes, the former charter of North Carolina and the former charter of Tennessee for Disciple Christian Motorcycle met up in the mountains, up in Asheville at a campground, and spent the weekend together. We joined forces together and a new club was formed. And that new club is Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. Where did that come from? What's going on? Well, if you are a subscriber here, you'll know that about a month and a half ago, almost 2 months now, the Dogwood crew laid down from Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. When I'm talking about the Dogwood crew, I'm talking about the entire state of North Carolina. Yes, from like Asheville to New Bern. From one side of the state to the other side of the state. Everybody. Prospects, hang-arounds, full patches, old guys, everybody. Well, we're back. And we are back up and running. And yes, we never stopped. Many of you have messaged me, many of you have written, many of you have called, and my answer has always been the same. We're not stopping doing what we're doing. We are still Dogwood strong. We are still the Dogwood crew, and we will keep doing what we're doing. And here we are today, still doing what we're doing. Still visiting Clubhouse, still supporting, still active in the motorcycle club community, still active in everything that we do. We never stopped. We never missed a beat. We never missed an Iron Saturday. We never missed anything. And now we've got some blessings, and we've got some rights to fly, and we have formed a new motorcycle club, Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. I'm really pretty excited about that. So the name, where did the name come from? Forge. When you think of Forge, what do you think? You think of some big dude beating a crazy hot piece of steel and making something out of it, right? Well, that's kind of where Dogwood has gone through. Dogwood started 8 years ago in North Carolina under Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club, and now we have stepped out on our own. There's been a lot of forging going on to make Dogwood what it is today, and to make Forge Brotherhood really what it is today. Even trying to come up with a club name. There were definitely sparks flying. We have a meetup that, if you are a follower of this channel, you see every Saturday. I'm at a place called Iron Saturday up in Concord, North Carolina, at a local Starbucks. We sit there, we have a Bible study, we talk about what events in the community we support, and then we go for a ride afterwards. After Proverbs 27:17, iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. Sometimes when that happens, when iron sharpening iron, sometimes sparks are going to fly, right? And there's definitely been times in the club where sparks have flown, but we are a brotherhood, so we come together as brothers at the end of the day, no matter how many sparks are flying. Where did the colors come from? And I don't know where bronze came from. Black and bronze are our colors. I don't know where it came from other than the man upstairs, because let me tell you about that. Bronze, if you think about the Olympics, third place medal, what color is it? Bronze. When you think about the way love the Lord your God with your heart, love your neighbor as yourself, and then you're third. Kind of like third place in the Olympics. God, others, self. God, brothers, self. God, family, self. We are third. Bronze being third place color in Olympics medals. Also, if you do the math, our club number is 62. So how do club numbers work? So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F is 6. Forged, F, 6. A, B, Brotherhood, 2, 62. Forged Brotherhood, so our club number is 62. So if you see any bronze-looking pictures that say support 62, that's support Forged Brotherhood. That is us. That is who we are. We are going to be blitzing some social media with that. But the other interesting thing about 62 is, did you know the last penny that had bronze as part of its composition in it, when was that? Oh, yeah, 1962. What do you know? So it's kind of like there's some really weird things that really have all come together that kind of make up our back patch. Also, the shield on our back patch. Looking around the shield, there are rivets that go around the shield. If you count the rivets, there are 23 rivets. Why is that? Of the 20 full patches in North Carolina and 3 full patches in Tennessee, 23 men laid down and have now picked up this patch to carry on. All 23 laid down, all 23 picked up. So there are 23 rivets to represent the 23 original men of Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club. Kind of cool, huh? We are still designing. We got our back patches done. We pretty much have the concepts and everything, placement and positions of the front patches put together. We are going to be taking that to the gentleman who is making our patches and try to get those done within the next 2 to 3 weeks. You know, this is still a new club. I mean, it's brand new. We just started this weekend. So there are a lot of things we're ironing out. We have a bunch of people reaching out to us going, how can I support? How can I support? What can I do? How can I start something here in this area? All I can say is hold the phone. Let us get on our feet. Let us get some things rolling. We did have an infrastructure put in place. We are sitting in a pretty good position. But we are currently working on getting some support t-shirts made up. And it's probably going to be the circle with the 62 and say like support Forged Brotherhood. Something like that. I don't know. We're still not complete, but we will have that up soon. We do have a website that we're putting together. We have online social media presence on Facebook, on Instagram. If you look up Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club on both Facebook and Instagram, you can find our pages there. We'll be posting all of our events and the things that we're doing, like the Orphan Run, which I told you we're going to carry the Orphan Run on. Well, here we are. And that's going to be happening April of 2022. I think the date is April 2nd. I'm not 100% sure on that. Whatever the first Saturday is in April in 2022, that's when the Orphan Run is. Same place, same time, Concord, North Carolina. Kickstands up 11 a.m. Be there. Put it on the calendar. You got plenty of time to plan for that. T-shirts are coming. We will be getting some other merchandise out there. We have a marketing group that's going to be working on getting a whole bunch of merch put up so we can put it on a store somewhere and start selling it somewhere somehow. But man, all these things are going to take a few minutes. So give us some time. Let us get our stuff together. We are already a multi-state club between North Carolina and Tennessee. We are open to the opportunities of expansion, but let's face it, you're going to have to get the right to fly in the area that you're in. It's not going to be an easy process, and it's not going to be the fast process, but if we're going to expand, we're going to do it the right way. You're going to earn it. You're going to go through, there is no, hey, here's your $50. Okay, let me send you your patches. That ain't going to happen. Old school, you're going to earn it. You're going to work for it, and then it'll be rewarding once you get to that point. So I am super excited about this. Just wanted to give you some snippets, throw some pictures up, and man, what an awesome weekend with my brothers and bros. So for those of you who are like, why are you still calling prospects if you're not a club anymore? On some of my videos and comments. I hear you. I heard you. And yeah, you're right. We weren't a club anymore, but we still kind of were. Although we didn't have a name, we didn't have anything specific, we were still Dogwood. We never skipped a beat. So I just want to thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video. Let you know what's up. And more videos are going to keep coming. We ain't stopping nothing. All right, Yogi Clan. I'll catch you later. Have a great week. And thank you for your support. Peace.